You're watching how to set up two-step verification on WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp and go to the Settings tab on iPhone or tap the three dots menu on Android and select Settings. Tap on Account, then select two-step verification. Tap Enable to begin setup. You will be prompted to enter a 6-digit PIN of your choice. Enter a PIN you can remember but is not easy to guess. Re-enter the PIN. To confirm, next you must provide an email address. This is optional but highly recommended for account recovery. If you forget your PIN, enter your email address and confirm it. Tap Next or Save. WhatsApp will send a confirmation email to the address you provided. You can tap the link in that email to verify it. Once set up, two-step verification will be active. WhatsApp will occasionally ask for this PIN when you register your phone number on a new device or after a certain period of time has passed on your current device. To change your PIN later, return to Settings Account two-step verification and tap Change PIN. To disable it, go to the same menu and tap Disable. Remember, this PIN is separate from any screen lock on your phone. It adds an extra layer of security to your WhatsApp account, preventing others from verifying your number on a new device without this PIN. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.